Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making taco soup in the Instant Pot Superior Cooker. Alright, I'm starting on my Superior Cooker. I have it set on sear saute and it's hot. I'm going to add in 2 pounds of ground beef. And this isn't lean ground beef, so I'm going to have to drain off the excess grease after it's done browning. Alright, now that my ground beef is just about almost all the way browned up, I'm going to add in 1 onion and 1 green bell pepper I diced up. And I'm going to allow that to fry in there with the ground beef so it softens up. Alright, now that I allow this to fry for a little while, my vegetables are starting to soften up and my hamburger's completely browned up. I'm going to add in the equivalent of 2 cloves of garlic. I'm using a pre-diced stuff. Give that a stir. I'm going to add in 4 cups of beef broth. It's a 4-cup container. And we're still set on saute high. I'm just going to give it a stir while I'm adding in the beef broth. I'm going to add in a 15 or 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes undrained. If you like it a little hotter, you can get that diced tomatoes with the chilies in them. I'm going to add in 4 ounces of thick salsa. This is a 16-ounce jar, so I'm going to add in a quarter of a jar. And I'm just eyeballing that. Give that a stir. I'm going to add in 2 packs of taco seasoning. And guys, when you buy taco seasoning, if you can, buy the store brand name because it tastes the same as the name brand and it's a lot cheaper. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this up to a boil. I'm going to put my lid on and I'm going to reduce this down to a simmer and let it simmer for about 15 or 20 minutes. So those flavors combine and are good. Right now that this is done cooking, I'm going to add in 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. It's going to make it nice and creamy, and I'll just stir that around for a minute till it starts to melt. Alright, now that my cream cheese is melted in there, I'm going to add in 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. And this is a little under 2 cups, so I have another pack here. I'll have to add some in. And I'm going to stir that around till that melts. And this shouldn't take long, guys, because this soup is hot. Right, now that that's melted in there, I'm going to add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And this is a 2-cup container, so I'm just going to eyeball it. I told you guys this is going to be creamy. I'm going to allow this to heat back up and make sure everything's melted, and then this will be ready to go. You can top this with whatever you like. I just topped it with some corn chips and a little fresh parsley for some color. You can even give this a try. Creamy. Has a good taco flavor. Let me try a bite without the corn chip. That's really good, guys, and it's not lacking in flavor in the least. Taco soup in the Instant Pot Superior Cooker. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.